Good morning.
Hello and welcome. Today we are preparing some pickles for the winter. This recipe is similar to the one we've done before. Because it's likely that you'll be using different size containers, I'll be saying all amounts of ingredients for 1 liter or 33.8 fluid ounces of this cucumber preserving liquid, so you could prepare the exact amount you need. We cut cucumbers like that, but it's up to you if you want them in different shapes. Once they are cut, put as many cucumbers into the sterilized container as you can. Liquefy some honey if yours is not runny. To 1 liter or 33.8 fluid ounces of boiling water, add 1 small chopped clove of garlic, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of special preserving spice blend, which consists of dill, mustard, garlic, carrots, coriander, bay leaves, black pepper, and allspice. Pour in a cup of vinegar, a tablespoon of honey, mix a teaspoon of turmeric with some water and then pour it into the liquid. Fill the container to the top with boiling liquid and close it lightly with a sterilized lid. Cover everything with a piece of cloth and leave it to cool off. Drain the liquid out, then fill the jar with the boiling liquid and close it tightly. Turn the jars over, cover them with a piece of cloth and leave them to cool off. After that, we can put them in a normal standing position, but keep them in a cool place for future consumption. Personally, I really enjoy this recipe, and I hope you'll too. Thank you guys for watching. It would help a lot if you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and consider pressing the bell to see our videos first. And or use one of the links in the description below to support us. Until next time, goodbye.